Okay, hello everyone. In this video, I try to explain your mini project for the course ICT 550 Data Management. This mini project will be worth 30% of your mark. The deadline for this mini project, as explained before, would be the 8th of January 2026. Uh, well, we will start with the requirement. The requirement, the first would be this would be a group project, so 3 to 4 person per group, or those members that the names been shared with me for the groups. First, you need to find the problem identification, or root cause identification. And for this, we will have many techniques. However, you may use the 5 techniques or root cause analysis. These two videos being provided for us. You need to use these, or you can use these to technique in order to identify your problem. Now, the potential solution, state the potential solution, and from there, please suggest one solution description of solution. Why are these users, who are the users of the solution? So first, you need to find the problem, then you need to talk about your solution and who are the users of the solution, or you will provide the solution for who. Then you need to find the data. Okay, now you have your problem, you thought about your solution. Now you need to find the data. In order to find the data, these valuable resources being provided for you, like data.gov.malaysia, like kaggle.com, like nyc.gov, or these other libraries. Feel free to use any of these to find your data. You'll need to download this data in a readable and editable format. Sometime you will have a CSV file. In that case, you need to also share the CSV file with me along the other files that we will talk about. Now, the data management toward the quality of data. For the data that you have downloaded, now you need to have the Python script for each one. First, the data definition. Okay, you need to provide me with the data definition, and the B would be data quality assessment, as we had in our labs. And in project 1 and project 2, we will have a profiling, then paraphrasing and standardization, generalized or cleansing process, the matching process, and the monitoring process. The problem resolution. That file that you downloaded may have extra or useless fields, okay, yet you need to remove it. That would be your job, to analyze what you want to represent or what you want to delete. Just like a curator of a museum, make decision about what show and how to display it. That would be your job. The data you choose display directly impact the viewer experience of the information. Now, the process may include this problem solution may include format check. You need to check the format of your data, completeness check to see if your data is complete or not, reasonable check, limit check, review the data, identify outliers. You may have outliers, and you may have like noisy data, you may have missing values. You need to deal with all of these. Your data need to be big enough in order for us to be able to use for a solution. Now, the data integration, discuss what type of data integration that you are using. So you need to use a type of data integration. Your solution must base on at least two data set. Now, if you can link different data type of data sources, an excellent mark will be rewarded. Okay, if you can have different type of data sources and you will connect all of these and integrate them, there will be an excellent mark for you. Visualizing and data to solve the problem. You need to visualize the data. For me, you need to have some visualizations, and you can use any of the visualization, if it's a pie chart or any or linear, or let's say a bar chart. It's totally up to you. Okay. The purpose of dashboard part-time propose the dashboard as a part of a data visualization would be number 6. Now the submission, you have to submit a report, Python file, okay, and to create the presentation with the Python file. However, I need your CSV file. If the file you downloaded and you worked on it with that Python code, you need to give me also the CSV file or the data that you have downloaded. Now it would be a report and a file, the Python file with this with the data file and a presentation to demonstrate your management process and the purpose solution. Your report must contain of all 6 components listed above. These 6 components propose a dashboard as a part of your data visualization data to solve a problem, and data management through data quality, finding a data, potential solution, and problem identification. So you need to make sure that you will have all of these 6 points and demonstrated all of them. The report need to talk about each point and make sure to explain it in a very clear way. Now, each group must do a presentation to demonstrate the Python code. So you need to, again, like assignment to explain your Python code. And of course, you may have also presentation. Presentation can be slides. However, I will ask about the Python codes. The demo content of the coding, okay, introduce. Now you will have 10 to 15 minutes to introduction to data being selected and the problem solution from the root cause analysis, criteria for selected data and data definition, cleaning process, data visualization, and the conclusion. The report content should cover the following details. Okay, problem identification, potential solution, finding the data management to the data quality, or the other 6 points that we explained in this video. And the references that you use in order to solve this problem or to complete this mini project. The report or the format for the report, the front cover, you should have all of these: the course code and the name, my name, lecture's name, project title, what is your title, the group name, okay, the member's name, then the date of the submission. And make sure to use one column with 1.5 spacing for the page layout. Now, this would be the explanation for the mini project that were 30%. Make sure to be able to finish it before this date, before 8th of January, because I will need these codes beforehand. Okay, please do not hesitate if you have any question, and you can ask me via email. Have a nice day.